Real quick intro, this is a highlight video of some of the diving that my wife Autumn and me did off the coast of Key Largo. These dives took place November 23rd, 24th, and 26th, 2020. We dove with Rainbow Reef divers because they came highly recommended on all the local dive groups and dive forums, and for good reason. The staff was professional, they were safe, COVID and dive safe, and extremely helpful, especially considering that they were taking a lot of people on each boat. They also took us to some awesome sites like the USS Spiegel Grove, the Benwood Wreck, and some beautiful reefs. We saw bull sharks, nurse sharks, sea turtles, and all kinds of other marine life. With travel being restricted right now, if you're having trouble finding a destination for your next dive trip, I highly recommend that you look into the Florida Keys. Take a look. We'll see you on the next video. 1.